You ready?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm still going.
This is Ashley doing her perfect 10 belch, yo! Ow! Hi, I'm Ari. Oh, light!
Oh my, I feel it. Hold on.
Don't turn off the light, Mom. Damn.
Hannah, wanna go home and have a popsicle?
Damn!
That one was perfect.
Yeah, freaking chug the damn thing.
Chug it.
She's like burping.
No one would believe this comes from a
You're
girl.
gonna have a fizzy pop when you get home.
Sure, Mom.
I like popsicles. I got you popsicles.
I got you, popsicles.
Oh, I feel sick.
It's cotton candy.
She's, yeah, she did like a perfect 10 like 3 times, and now she's just like, not doing it.
Manners and... Do you want to go home, Ashley?
Not in particular.
Mom won't let you spend the night.
I have a hair appointment first thing in the morning.
You!
Oh, well, sorry, but I gotta get them home, get them a bath.
Chug it, chug it, chug it.
Oh man, that one hurt.
Oh, that was Mark.
We're having a belch-a-thon.
Nobody,
Pretty cool.
nobody can beat Tabitha.
I told her that.
I'm not even started yet.
Tabitha can go on and on and on and on and on, non-stop.
Want me to stop the thing?
Who was that?
Ashley. Ashley, she does perfect 10s, dude. I'm Ari, by the way.
I'm Ashley. We should YouTube this, man.
I am.
Just start talking, man.